Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Telegram, this group can't be displayed. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and sign in to Telegram using your web, right? And then what you gotta do, click the three bars at the top left. And then what you gotta do, go click the settings, and then scroll a little bit down. Under data storage, you gotta find privacy and security, click on it, and scroll a little bit down, and make sure to enable the basically show 18 plus content. In that way, you're going to be able to see the unfiltered messages or group messages on Telegram. Excuse me. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.